Monday, a fun day.
It is a Monday. Climb up there and let's do this.
A fun day, a Monday, a Sunday. A Monday.
Okay, this is science time with Grant. First we have our
Mega kit.
That's the microscope kit.
Then we have our electricity kit.
Remember this one?
Yes. And then, Dada, where's this? Dada, get this one out, please.
Okay, remember this one? We made a radio.
Yes, and then this one, Dada. This one, Dada.
Yep.
Dada.
Get into it.
And
look at all these logic blocks.
Yes, lots of logic blocks. Even the shocker.
Yep. Okay, we'll play that. Here's our snap electricity kit. You remember this?
Snap electricity.
Snapping stuff together.
Yes. I remember that.
Here is our geology kit.
Geology.
Do you know what geology is?
Rock studying.
It's the study of rocks. That's right. Some of these rocks we collected.
Remember these two rocks?
Yeah.
We collected those two.
Yep.
And we didn't collect this one, did we?
Yeah, we collected that. And some of them came with the collection. This one I think we collected from the lake. That's a lake rock.
Yep.
That's a igneous blend. This one I think matches with that one. See if you can match the rocks.
Dad, look at this rock.
Yeah.
We found this rock?
This one I think is a piece of sea glass.
Did we
that was
find this?
polished in the ocean. Yes.
Those are rare. These look
very rare. You can use your magnifying glass to examine them.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
I like the color.
Yeah, it's quite beautiful.
It's like diamond.
Yeah, it's kind of an emerald color. And it's sparkly. Do you want to talk like scientists?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let us study these rocks.
Yeah.
Well, please examine this one. What do you think is inside of that?
Let me check this out. Kind of leafy stuff.
Yes, it could be a plant.
Wow.
Let's finish surveying what kind of science we have, and then we'll decide which to do
It's
first.
some kind of formula.
Yes, it could be a formula for creating nuclear fusion.
Let me examine. Examining.
Yes.
Wow, Dada.
Did you identify that rock? It's marble.
Where's this rock? Where's this rock? Where's
This one.
rock?
Right here. Remember, we stained this in our chemical bath.
Match.
This one you can match for sure.
Yeah. Wait, oh yeah. There.
But look, it's sparkly.
Oh, sparkly. And look at this rock. You see? It's getting big.
Okay, so I'm going to finish the video. We have some more science. We have chemistry, which we're going to use to identify this object. Should I show it?
Yes. Hey.
We'll use chemistry for this.
Chemistry.
What is your hypothesis about that?
It was from a war. That's mine.
Yeah.
What's yours?
My hypothesis is that it is an ancient relic, perhaps from the Civil War, perhaps from World War I. And it was used to contain a type of gas that they used for cooking back in those olden days.
It looks like a water bottle.
Yeah. I can tell that it's gas though because see there's a pressure release valve right here.
Yes.
And if you're a real scientist then you say, yes, very interesting. So what we're going to do is use chemistry to treat the rusty parts and the paint, and then with the right chemical experiments we'll be able to identify how old it is
and what
type of gas,
and if it was from a war.
That's
so
right.
we don't know
Yep.
if it was.
Exactly right. Okay.
And then the way we're gonna get this known out is we're gonna make some chemistry and we're gonna put chemistry around the paint.
Yeah, a little bit of chemical solution.
And then a little bit kind of electricity that could plug into computers.
Yeah.
And then we'll plug it into the computer. Then we'll
We'll do an experiment.
Yes. On the computer, so it's kind of going to be a computer experiment.
That's a good plan. Okay, let's get started. Okay, tell me what you did.
I made this goo. Isn't it shiny?
Yes. How did you make it?
I got baking powder, and then I got this mixture you can see right here.
Yeah, we prepared that.
And then I got this like pipette, and I did something wrong. Then I redid it, and then I put it in a tube, my testing tube, and dumped it into the powder, and it made this goo. And we're trying to analyze. We're trying to figure out all about this ancient battle. We're trying to figure out if it was from or in our backyard, and like all the data on it, and
yeah. And so what happened when we applied your goo along with vinegar? It reacted on the paint a little bit.
Yes, and it reacted on the rust a lot.
Ah, that's interesting. That means that it's old rust. That means that it's at least 50 years old. 50 to 75 years old because of the reaction on the rust. So we're recording our results on this makeshift notebook. Now let's prepare our next solution. For this solution, I'd like you to use Epsom salt and water.
Okay.
Okay?
And put it where?
Then we're going to do the same thing. Apply it.
Where do we put it?
I'll clean this one.
In the goo?
No, I'll clean this one. Okay, so explain what we did with the results.
Okay, we did all these results, and then
Where did we put the results?
we put the results on the computer.
On the spreadsheet.
Yes, on the spreadsheet.
So we made this spreadsheet.
And then we put it on this website.
Well, then we copied
Yes, copied
the results
and
put it onto the scientific website here.
And then
And
we
uploaded
found the molecules from a real war thing.
Yep.
And then we found this bottle, this gas tank thing, in our backyard.
Yep.
So there was a real war in our backyard, and we know which one it is.
Which one?
Because it was World War I.
Very good. Okay, good science. You happy? You like science?
And